Hello everybody, in this tutorial I want to show you how to actually run your Android applications on your actual device. So first let me point out that if you are using a Windows machine in order to develop Android applications in the Android Studio, first you need to download the USB driver of your specific Android device in order to actually run your applications on your actual device. So imagine that I have got a Samsung Android device and I need to download the USB driver of my actual device. So first I need to actually open my web browser and just typing download, okay, as you can see here, plus the model of my Android device, Note 8 N5100 plus the USB driver, okay, as you can see here, and just press enter, and then it's gonna actually show you some links. And as I tested before, I think the androidmtk.com is very suitable for our needs in order to actually download the USB driver for your specific Android device. So I just click on this link here, and then you just need to actually download, as you can see here, download and install the Samsung USB driver on your computer. So I just click on this download link here, and then as you can see that these are the different models of Samsung Android devices, and these are the download links of the USB driver. Okay, so you just need to actually find the model of your Android device here and just download the specific Android USB driver of your device. So and here, if you are actually developing Android applications on a Mac OS X or on a Linux machine, actually running your Android applications on an actual device is just a piece of cake, because you just need to plug in your Android device to your Mac or your Linux machine by a USB cable, and then it's finished. You just need to actually click on this run button and run your application on your device. But before that, we need to actually prepare our actual Android device for developing applications. Okay, so how do you do that? First, imagine that this is an actual device. Okay, first we need to go actually open our applications here, and then click on the settings, and then we just need to scroll down. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down, and here I can see the developer options for myself, for my device, for my actual device. Okay, but if you can't see the developer options here, as you can see in the settings menu, if you can't see the developer options, you need to actually click on the about phone. Okay, this is very important. And then you need to actually click on click on this build number here 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because I have already configured my emulator for developing Android applications, it's gonna show me a toast that says no need, you are already a developer. Okay, so after actually doing that, after clicking 7 times on the build number, you can actually see the developer options here. Okay, so just click on the developer options and just scroll down the screen. In the debugging section here, you should actually enable the USB debugging. Debug mode when USB is connected. This is very important for testing your applications on an Android device. Okay, and then you are ready to actually test your applications on your actual device. So now I'm going to show you how to actually run your applications on an Android device by running my Hi World application on my actual device. So let me just close this emulator. Okay, now I just need to actually click on the run button here, and as you can see here, the name of the name of my actual device appears here. So I just need to actually click on this on the name of my device and click on OK, and it's gonna run the Hi World app on my Android device. It's just a piece of cake. Okay, it's really easy. So thank you for watching.